Have you ever watched an ad that ends with an interactive part? These ads are called creative packs. They blend different video ads with end cards. But with all these different options, which combination drives the best results? That's where creative optimization comes in. Our AI makes it easy to identify the top-performing combinations by breaking down the performance of each part. Analyze from two angles: same video ads with different end cards, or group by end card and break down by video ads. Double down on what works best and optimize what doesn't. Confidently create the next winning combinations powered by AI-driven insights. Ready, set, optimize!